arm. Okay? Like that with this infection. Then positioning, of course, maintaining the skin integrity. Okay, and then wash your hands thoroughly. It is because we know that this could be acquired via fecal oral route. Okay, then provide emotional support. Okay, to the parents. Okay, because it is very disheartening for them to learn that their child has a polio. Okay, when any paralytic patient help set up an interdisciplinary rehab program. This is one of our responsibilities as nurses among patients who have a polio. Okay? Now, let us answer this. Ngayon po, an 8-year-old, okay, was brought by his mother to emergency because of progressive weakness of the left lower extremity. Polio was the diagnosis. Okay? So, based on the presentation of the patient, he is at one stage of polio. Abortive, pre-paralytic, paralytic, or pre-ecteric. Okay, so going back to the case, there is progressive weakness of the left lower extremity. So, which among those stages you have the paralytic na po, pre-paralytic? Kasi progressive weakness pa lang, hindi pa paralyzed. Okay? So, polio could be life-threatening. As a nurse on duty, what intervention? Okay? To be given priority to Leopold. Okay? Oralize.